Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to fix mobile data not working on DOOGEE Note 56 Pro. First, scroll from the top and disable mobile data, and then enable it back on. Then, if you have a screen protector, the case on the phone, then take it off. And right here on the left side of your phone, you can see this SIM card slot with the hole. Take something long and thin, for example a needle, and insert into this hole. Okay, now you can see that the SIM card slot has popped back off. Now take it out of the phone. And you can see this SIM card right here. So take a microfiber and gently brush this golden side. Make sure that this SIM card slot fits perfectly into this tray and slide it back into the phone gently and push all the way into the phone. And if you still have any issues, then just contact your carrier to verify data plan. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.